In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do some step recording in order to record some cymbals for the drum track or another drum track. We're going to go over to the track select and select track 3, and this is where we're going to put our cymbals at. And then scroll up to the program area for track 3 and press the category key. And then we're going to select using the buttons here to jump over to the drums category. And I'm going to choose a kit here that has a good sounding set of cymbals to use. And I believe I'm going to go with A04 here and press F8 for OK. Next we're going to press the menu button, and then we're going to scroll over to the track edit page and press F8 for OK to open this. And next press the F8 function key to go to the menu here and select step recording and press F8 for OK. Now in step recording view, this is where you're going to put in the notes one note at a time. You set up basically what the step is and what the duration is, and also what the velocity or the volume of the note is. I'm going to go ahead and set the step amount to be a 16th note, and I've set the duration to be, I think it's default 85. I'm just going to leave that there. With the drum sound it really doesn't matter that much. However, if you were putting notes for bass sound or any other sound, really that duration would affect how quickly the note is cut off after it's played. The velocity here, it's set to key. Sometimes there might be a value in here. I think it's default to be 64. Now if you set any value here, any note that you put in will play at that value. However, if you dial up to key, then it's going to play at the volume at which you press the key, or the velocity at which you press the key. Okay, now I'm ready to start putting in my notes. I'm just going to put in a couple, and then I'm going to do a preview of that and then do a repeat measure. I don't have to do the full 8 measures length here. I can just quickly copy and paste those later. Okay, now press F8 when you're done. If you accidentally mess up or anything here, of course you can press the F6 key and you can back up a few notes. We're ready to press the F8 key to exit out of this. And now press exit again to go to the play record screen, and press the locate button to go to the beginning, and press start, and we're going to preview what I just recorded. And you can see that the notes cut off there at the end of measure 2, which is okay. Again, we can go back and copy and paste or repeat that series of notes.